Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to be talking about playing shape for the right side of the ball. And what I mean by that, the right side of the ball, I don't mean the right hand side of the ball. I mean the correct side of the ball. So, let's find my cue ball first. Here it is. So we have our cue ball right here. And as I always say, when we're doing a 3-ball run out, or when we're doing any run out, we're thinking about 3 balls. And what we're thinking about is, where do I want to be on this ball to be on this ball? And the answer to that, I probably want to be where this 4 ball is, if not just a little bit in front of it. So the right side, first let's just go through terminology. This is a pocket line. The line between the ball and the back of the pocket, or the opening of the pocket. This is the pocket line. The right side of the line for me to get on the 6 ball is above it. So we have to be above that line to be on the right side of that line. So if we just make that ball, now we're on the right side of this line. And the reason I played for this side, so I can just come off this rail and bounce back out. And on the 6 ball, there really is no right side of the line. We just want to get to where we can make it, because it is the last ball. But there's another ball on the table. We'd be looking at what's the right side on that 6 ball. So we have that run out. Now we're going to put another ball on the table. Now, being on the right side of the line, I'm going to show you what happens when you're on the wrong side of the line. So let's look at here. The right side of the line on the 5 is below it. So we're going to get below it, and we're good. Right side of the line on the 6 ball is either almost dead straight on this side, but I'd prefer to be either straight in or a little bit on this side. Uh-oh, I'm not on the right side of this line. So instead of just drawing back, now I'm going to have to work my cue ball around and settle for a little more difficult shot on the 8 ball. Now, it wasn't too hard. We got back in line right, which is what I want to talk to you about next. Getting back in line. So when you get out of line, let's say we want to play this, the 2, then the 4, then the 5. Now, if we want to draw back and get like right here, which isn't a good choice of a positional shot, then we accidentally overdraw it. Now we have to pull out a recovery shot. So you can either try to go a few rails around, getting back in line with your 5 ball. So you see how we got back in line there? That is a common recovery shot. Another common recovery shot is this one. We're on this side of the line, bringing it back like that. So those are 2 shots that you want to practice, because those are very, very well-known recovery shots. Another well-known recovery shot is if you get on the wrong side of a ball and your ball you have to play next is over here, you're on the wrong side of it, so you got to play this ball next. Another common recovery shot, that one. That's low left spin, bringing it back off that rail. Get position on the 6. So that is a recovery shot that you want to practice a lot. So these recovery shots come up when you come up too short on a ball, too long on a ball, you hit too soft, you hit too hard. But those 3 are one of the most important. Another recovery shot. When you end up on the wrong side of the ball, if you're like this and you're on the wrong side of the ball, just slow roll it in. Just take a longer shot. Sometimes you're just going to have to take a longer shot, and that's okay. Don't try to do too much with it right here. But again, if you're way over here, and you can't stall it like that, this is the shot you have to play. That's the low right. There's also another shot you can play. Looks like this. Bringing that around 3 rails, that brings it into the line of the 7. What I mean by that is it brings it out of the rail like this. This is the shot I would choose because it brings it into the line of the 7. And you see how it comes off the rail into the line of the 7. So we can hit it at various speeds and still be okay. We can end up either here to here, anywhere along here. It's going to be along that line somewhere. But anywhere from there, we're going to be okay. So speed really isn't an issue on that one. It's just hitting it hard enough and not getting over here. So that is a real good recovery shot. Another good recovery shot. So we're going from the 3 to the 7. We end up too far down. Now we're going to have to go across. So that one, the hardest part with that one is avoiding both side pockets. Once you get across there, you're perfectly fine. But staying in line is the best thing a pool player can do. Now, we don't do it all the time. No, not at all. So the right line for this one is either straight in or slightly above that 3 ball. And we are good there. Right line for the 8 ball is just stopping right there. And just making the 8. So if you can take on balls in pairs of, little groups of 3, I wouldn't say pairs of 3 because a pair is 2, but little groups of 3, you can make 9 ball easy, just 3 groups of 3. Thinking about, especially with the open table. Open table, you should be out. So let's move on. I'm gonna throw out 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna try to stay in line on all of them, which is not too difficult, but not too easy. So the right line here is just a little off the rail. That may be just a bit too much. Now here's where a recovery shot comes in play. When we play that shot. Here's that second recovery shot that I showed you. Bringing it back. And now if we now we're back in line. Because we are where the cue ball naturally goes to the next ball. That's what we really want. I'm gonna have to move the camera so I can actually reach the shot. But this is where we would want to be. In line with that, and now we are dead straight in on our 8 ball. So you see how recovery shots come into play. You see how common they are and how much you need to know them. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email, and that was awesome. An email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. So if you like it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We are at 61,000 subscribers now, which is an absolutely insane number. 61,000, that's like more than the population of the Vatican Islands, which is like 2. But if we have a higher population of subscribers than the country has people, I think we're doing pretty well. So leave a like on the video, share it, comment what you want to see next, or comment what you think about the video, what you think I should get. A lot of you are going to say an overhead table view. I cannot do that because of my fan. But any other suggestions I will take into consideration. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.